Think your home's air is clean just because your HVAC runs daily? Let's take a look at what's lurking inside. When your AC operates, it pulls moisture from the air, which should drain into a pan. But if those drain lines get clogged or the evaporator coils are dirty, you're creating a breeding ground for mold. Warm, dark ductwork combined with standing water. That's a recipe for disaster. Dust and moisture together can lead to significant growth. In Arizona, with our monsoons and dusty attics, it's the perfect storm for mold and bacteria. Air clean and healthy.